Hello everyone. In this video lesson, we'll solve example 7.18. So you can see on the screen. For the cylinders A and B, figure 7.27, which you can see on the figure here. Find out the cylinder whose volume is greater and verify the cylinder with greater volume has greater total surface area. Find the ratios of the volumes of the cylinder A and B. So you have to solve these three questions in this example. So let us move on to the diagrams first. Let us understand. So both are cylinders, but they are in different in measurement. So the first cylinder A, the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter, and height is 21 centimeter. The cylinder B has diameter 21 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Okay. Now let us find the volumes of two cylinders. Okay, so as we know, the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, right? Okay, now we can use the measurements given to solve the sum. Now volume of the cylinder is equal to, as per the measurement, pi value is equal to 22. So we are talking about cylinder A. So you have the measurement here. Diameter is equal to 7 and 21 height is equal to 21 centimeter. Now pi value is how much? 22 by 7 and r square, which means r value 7 by 2, which means diameter r is equal to diameter divided by 2, right? So 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and height is equal to 21 meter. So we'll solve this in detail here. Okay, let me solve this. So I'll write here, just note down. So volume of the cylinder A is equal to pi r square h. So I can write volume 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 21, right? Now what I do, 7 3s are 21 and I'll 2 will go with 11. So what is the remaining? 11 into 7 into 7 into 3 by 2. So these are the remaining measurements what I have. So we'll start from this end, 11 into 7 into 7 into 3. So let us multiply this and we'll divide it. Okay, so just note down this, 11 into 7 into 7 into 3. Okay, now let us start from there. 11 into 7 into 7 into 3 divided by 2, which is equal to, so 11 sevens are 77. Let us multiply that with 7 again. So we will get 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4, 7 sevens are 49, 53, right? Okay. Into 3 again. 9 3s are 27, 7 2, the carry on 2, 9 3 3s are 9, 11, 1 1, 15, 16. So what we got? 1617 divided by 2. Let us divide this here. 1617 divided by 2. So 8 2s are 16. So since we don't have a remainder here, we'll add on 0 and 17. Again 8 2s are, sorry, 8 2s are 61. The remainder, and we'll put one point here, 0 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now what is the volume? 808.5 meter cube, centimeter cube. Okay, so This is the volume of cylinder A. So I hope you can copy this. Next, what is the next sum we have? Volume of a cylinder B. So it is again a different measurements. So volume can be considered as, here you have to compare the volumes of A and B, and now the radius and height totally differs. Okay, now let us solve this. So how we can solve? Again, volume of the cylinder B is equal to pi r square h. Here 22 by 7 into r square is how much? So r is 21 centimeter diameter. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into h is 7. Okay, now is equal to, so I can cancel this 7, this 11 here, right? Yeah. Okay, now let us multiply this 11 into 21 into 21 divided by 2. Okay, so I think we can note down this 11 into 21 into 21 by 2. Okay, so we'll start from here. 11 into 21 into 21 divided by 2. So multiply this 11 into 21. So I hope you will get 1, 3, 2. 231 into 21. So what we can write? 1, 3, 2, 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 8, 4. Okay, so 4851 divided by 2. Next step is 4851 divided by 2. Okay, now we'll divide this. Okay, 4851 divided by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 4s are 8. This is 0, and you can write here, and 2 4s are 8 again, 0, 8, and 5. Just we'll bring it 5. 2 2s are 4. We have a remainder 1 here. I'll start from here, 1. Okay, and I'll bring that 1 here below, and 2 5s are, okay, 10. 1 is remainder, point, put a point here, 0, 2 5s are 10. So what is the volume? 2425.5 centimeter cube, right? So you can write as centimeter cube or cubic units, whatever you can write. Okay, now 2425.5. So the volume of cylinder B is greater. Okay, next, what is the question? So already we can see, therefore volume of the cylinder B is greater than the volume of a cylinder A. Now we have to find the TSA of the cylinder A and TSA of the cylinder B. Okay, so let us find. So what is the formula? 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula to find the total surface area of the cylinder. So as we know that cylinder A has radius 7 by 2 and height 21 centimeter, and cylinder B has radius 21 by 2 and height 7 meter. Okay, sorry, 7 centimeter. Now let us solve this. TSA of cylinder A. Okay, now is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. So 22 by 7 into 2, sorry. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2 and h value is 21 and r value is again 7 by 2, right? So I hope you understood this step. Now what we do, let us cancel this 7 7 and 2 11. So what happens, 2 into 11, right? So this everything has been divided. Now here you have to find the LCM, cross multiply. What will get? 42. 21 into 242 plus 7 divided by 2, right? So the last step, 21 into 11, 42 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, let us resume from that. So 21 into 11, 22, right? So what will get? 42 plus 7. I hope you will get 49, right? 49 divided by 2. So now 2 11s are correct. So 11 into 49. When you multiply 49 into 11, we will get 9494. So 9 with 539 centimeter square. So you are finding TSA, right? So you have to mention with centimeter. So centimeter square. Next, let us find TSA of cylinder B. TSA of cylinder B. So we have 2 pi r into h plus r. So here the measurements differs. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 by 2 and height 7 plus 21 by 2, right? So this is the measurement here. So we can do 7 3s are 2 11s are. So what is the remaining? We got 2 into 11 into 3, and here cross multiply 14 plus 21 divided by 2. Okay, so I think you can note down that 2 into 11 into 3, 14 plus 21 by 2, right? So let me start from here. So what we got is equal to 22 into 3. So 14 plus 21, what happens? 35, right? 35 by 2. So now what we have? 66 into 35 by 2. So divide this, you will get 33. So when you multiply 33 into 35, let me multiply here. 35 into 33, 5 3 is 15, 5 1, this is 9, 10. So again 5 0 1. So 5 5 1 okay, 1155 centimeter square. So this is a TSA of cylinder B. So from these findings we can come to the conclusion that the cylinder B has a greater volume and also greater surface area. Now third, volume of a cylinder A divided by volume of a cylinder B is equal to, you have to find the ratio. So it's very simple. Cylinder A volume 808.5 divided by 2425.5. So you can just find out. So when you multiply this 808.5 into 3, you will get the ratio. So therefore the ratio of the volumes A and B is 1:3. Okay, so I hope you understood. In case if you find any problem in understanding, just pause the video and go through the steps, you will get understood. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video lesson. Thank you.